Dear students, now I welcome you in the next lesson that is about the overview of thermodynamics. We would continue to study about many terms of thermodynamics and to get the detail of the overview of thermodynamics. In this lesson, we would study what is thermodynamics, what is the behavior of matter, what are macroscopic approaches, microscopic approaches, what are the properties. All this we would study in the coming lessons. What is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is the field of physics that deals with the relationship between heat and other properties such as pressure, density, temperature, etc. in a substance. Specifically, thermodynamics focuses largely on how heat is transferred and how heat transfer is related to various energy changes within a physical system undergoing a thermodynamic process. Such processes usually result in work being done by the system and are guided by the laws of thermodynamics. Now, what are the basic concepts of heat transfer? The heat of a material is understood as a representation of the energy contained within the particles of that material. This is known as the kinetic theory of gases, though the concept applies in varying degrees to solids and liquids as well. The heat from the motion of these particles can transfer into the nearby particles and therefore into other parts of the material or other materials through a variety of means. एक इसकी सिंपल सी एग्जांपल ले लें कि आप अगर एक मेटालिक को स्पून ले लें और उसको हीट अप करें, एक साइड उसकी बर्नर के ऊपर रखें तो थोड़ी देर के बाद आपका हाथ भी गर्म हो जाएगा. या अगर आप किसी हॉट चीज़ को हाथ लगाते हैं तो यू फील द हीट. इट मीन्स हीट हैज़ बीन ट्रांसफर्ड फ्रॉम द हॉट बॉडी टू योर बॉडी. So what are the means of transfer? Now we would study some types of transfer, like thermal contact is when two substances can affect each other's temperature. Thermal equilibrium is when two substances in thermal contact no longer transfer heat. Thermal expansion takes place when a substance expands in volume as it gains heat. Conduction is the phenomena when heat flows through a heated solid. Convection is the phenomena when heated particles transfer heat to another substance, such as cooking something in boiling water. Radiation, you must all have studied it in any of the class. Radiation is the phenomena when heat is transferred through electromagnetic waves, such as from sun. सन से हमारे तक रेडिएशंस की फॉर्म में हीट आती है. इंसुलेशन इज व्हेन अ लो कंडक्टिंग मटेरियल इज यूज्ड टू प्रिवेंट हीट ट्रांसफर. लाइक हम किसी चीज़ को इंसुलेट कर देते हैं, हम ये कहते हैं कि ये इंसुलेटेड चीज़ है ताकि हीट ट्रांसफर ना हो सके. Now, what is macroscopic and microscopic points of view? Behavior of matter can be studied at these two levels. Macroscopic, macro means big or large, total, and microscopic means small levels. What is macroscopic approach? Certain quantity of matter is considered without a concern on the events occurring at molecular level. These effects can be perceived by human senses or measured by instruments like pressure, temperature, etc. This is an approach to thermodynamics and is concerned with the gross or overall behavior of the substance. This is also known as classical thermodynamics. What are microscopic approaches? The effect of molecular motion is considered here. For example, at microscopic level, the pressure of a gas is not constant. Temperature of a gas is a function of the velocity of molecules. So it's a more elaborate approach based on the average behavior of the large groups of individual particles, and it is called as statistical thermodynamics. Property. Any characteristic of a system is called a property, such as pressure, temperature, volume, mass, etc. There may be some other examples including which must be less familiar ones, such as viscosity, thermal conductivity, modulus of elasticity, thermal expansion coefficient, electric resistivity, etc. It can be defined as the system's characteristic to which some physically meaningful numbers can be allocated without knowing the history behind it. It's basically macroscopic in nature, and consistently the properties must enable us to classify and recognize the system properly. For example, Shiraz, a person who weighs 60 kg and is 1.45 meter tall. We are not concerned how he got to that stage, how he has gained the weight. We are not interested what he ate. We must choose the most appropriate set of properties. Like Javed has 75 kg weight and being 1.80 meter tall, and this is the best option for the police. If he is working in a university and teaching biotechnology, you would say that Javed did his MPhil from Punjab University in 2010. He has two brothers and a sister, and his father is also a teacher in high school. This is more than enough data that someone needs. In the next lesson, we would continue to study about more terms of thermodynamics to get the complete overview. Thank you.